In today's fast-paced world, where mass-produced furniture dominates the market, there's a growing appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship of old wood furniture. This video will explore the beauty of reimagining vintage pieces, merging timeless elegance with modern functionality. By restoring and updating these treasures, we not only preserve their history but also create unique, personalized items that fit seamlessly into our contemporary lifestyles. Viewers will learn how to transform old wood furniture into stylish and practical additions to their homes, while also understanding the significance of sustainability in furniture restoration. Understanding the origins of old wood furniture enhances our appreciation for its design and craftsmanship. Throughout history, different styles have emerged, each reflecting the cultural and aesthetic values of its time. From the ornate carvings of Baroque furniture to the minimalist lines of mid-century modern pieces, each era has left its mark on the world of furniture design. In this segment, we will delve into the evolution of wood furniture, highlighting key movements and iconic designs. By appreciating these historical contexts, viewers will gain insight into how they can honor the past while embracing modern needs in their restoration projects. Not all old wood furniture is worth restoring, so it's essential to know what to look for when hunting for pieces to update. In this section, we'll discuss the characteristics of quality furniture, such as solid wood construction, joinery techniques, and overall craftsmanship. Viewers will learn how to spot signs of wear and tear that indicate a piece is ripe for restoration, as well as how to differentiate between valuable antiques and less desirable items. This knowledge will empower them to make informed decisions when sourcing old wood furniture, ensuring that their efforts yield stunning results. Before diving into a restoration project, it's crucial to have the right tools and materials on hand. In this segment, we will provide a comprehensive list of essential tools, including sanders, paintbrushes, clamps, and safety gear. Additionally, we'll discuss the various types of finishes, paints, and adhesives suitable for wood restoration. By equipping viewers with this practical knowledge, they will feel more confident in tackling their projects and achieving professional-looking results. We'll also emphasize the importance of using high-quality materials to ensure the longevity of the restored furniture. Once a piece of old wood furniture is acquired, the first step in the restoration process is thorough cleaning. This segment will guide viewers through the steps of properly cleaning their furniture to remove dust, dirt, and old finishes. We'll highlight the importance of assessing the condition of the piece, identifying any damages that may need addressing before restoration can begin. By demonstrating effective cleaning techniques, viewers will understand how to prepare their furniture for the next stages of restoration, setting a solid foundation for successful outcomes. Restoration is an art form that requires a blend of skill and creativity. In this comprehensive section, we will explore various techniques for restoring old wood furniture, focusing on sanding, stripping finishes, and repairing damages. Viewers will learn step-by-step methods for each technique, accompanied by visual demonstrations to enhance understanding. We'll emphasize the importance of patience and precision during the restoration process, encouraging viewers to take their time to achieve the best results. By showcasing different restoration techniques, we'll inspire creativity and confidence in their abilities. The finish applied to restored furniture can dramatically alter its appearance and durability. In this segment, we will discuss the various types of finishes available, including oils, varnishes, and lacquers, and their respective benefits and drawbacks. We'll guide viewers through the decision-making process, helping them choose the right finish that aligns with their desired aesthetic and practical needs. Additionally, we will address color selection, providing tips on how to choose shades that enhance the furniture's natural beauty while complementing modern decor. This section will empower viewers to make informed choices that reflect their personal style. One of the most exciting aspects of reimagining old wood furniture is the opportunity to merge vintage and modern design elements. In this section, we will explore creative ways to incorporate contemporary touches into restored pieces, such as adding modern hardware or pairing vintage furniture with minimalist decor. We'll provide examples of successful style integrations and discuss how to maintain a harmonious balance between old and new. By sharing innovative ideas, we'll inspire viewers to think outside the box and personalize their restored furniture to fit their unique tastes and lifestyles. In addition to aesthetic enhancements, restoring old wood furniture offers the chance to incorporate modern functionality. This segment will focus on practical upgrades that can be made, such as adding hidden storage compartments, enhancing ergonomic features, or modifying dimensions to better suit contemporary living spaces. By demonstrating how to enhance the usability of vintage pieces, we will show viewers that old furniture can be both beautiful and practical. This approach ensures that restored furniture meets the demands of today's lifestyle while retaining its historical charm. Documenting the restoration process is an engaging way to connect with viewers and inspire them to embark on their own projects. In this segment, we will share tips on filming the restoration journey, including how to effectively capture time-lapse footage and create informative tutorials. We'll discuss the importance of storytelling in video content, encouraging viewers to share their experiences and challenges throughout the process. By showcasing their work, viewers can foster a sense of community and inspire others to take on similar restoration projects. Restoration projects can be rewarding, but they also come with challenges. In this section, we will outline common mistakes that DIY enthusiasts often make and provide practical tips for avoiding them. From proper sanding techniques to managing expectations during the process, we'll cover crucial aspects that can make or break a restoration project. Additionally, we'll emphasize the importance of safety precautions when working with tools and chemicals, ensuring that viewers can enjoy their projects while prioritizing their well-being. Once a restoration project is complete, sharing the results with the world can be incredibly fulfilling. In this segment, we'll discuss effective strategies for promoting finished pieces on social media and YouTube, including creating eye-catching posts and engaging captions. Encouraging viewers to share their successes will foster a sense of community and inspire others in their own restoration journeys. We will also touch on the value of feedback and collaboration within the DIY community, emphasizing how sharing knowledge can lead to collective growth and creativity. Restoring old wood furniture is not just a creative endeavor, it also has significant environmental benefits. In this segment, we'll highlight the importance of sustainability in furniture restoration, discussing how reusing and repurposing old pieces helps reduce waste and conserve resources. We'll explore the impact of fast furniture on the environment and how viewers can make more sustainable choices in their own lives. By emphasizing the eco-friendly aspects of restoration, we can inspire viewers to embrace a more sustainable lifestyle while enjoying the beauty of vintage furniture. In this video, we will explore the art of restoring and updating old wood furniture. From understanding the historical context of various styles to practical techniques for revitalization, you'll gain insights that empower you to breathe new life into forgotten treasures. Whether you're looking to create a statement piece or simply enhance your home's aesthetic, we'll examine how merging timeless elegance with modern functionality can transform your living spaces into reflections of your personality and values. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey of creativity and restoration. If you enjoy discovering the art of restoring and reimagining old wood furniture, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We're committed to bringing you a new video every day, filled with tips, techniques, and inspiration to help you transform your living spaces. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow DIY enthusiasts who might benefit from our journey. And stay tuned until the end of the video for some exciting insights and bonus content that you won't want to miss. Let's embark on this creative adventure together.